Fitbod Honest Review. Watch before using. Fitbod is a workout app designed for people looking to build strength and improve their fitness with a personalized approach. This app uses AI to create custom workout plans based on your fitness level, available equipment, and goals. It's particularly great for those who want structured routines for strength training but don't have the time or energy to create their own plans. Fitbod's smart algorithm continuously adjusts your workouts based on progress, ensuring you're always challenged without overloading your body. It tracks sets, reps, and rest times, making it easy to follow your workout with precision. Whether you're at the gym with all the equipment or you're working out at home with minimal gear, Fitbod can tailor your routine to fit your environment. The app also features detailed explanations for each exercise, and you can sync your data across multiple devices, which is great for consistency. The app is made for intermediate to advanced lifters, as it assumes some familiarity with strength training terminology and techniques. If you're a beginner, the app might feel a bit overwhelming at first, especially since it dives straight into advanced movements. But it's an excellent tool for users who already have some experience with the gym and are looking to take their training to the next level. The ability to customize your program by adjusting variables like volume, intensity, and workout splits is a huge plus, allowing for a high degree of flexibility. Fitbod integrates with Apple Health and offers great workout tracking, so you can keep tabs on your progress in real time. However, the free version is quite limited in terms of features. If you're serious about training and want access to full customization and advanced analytics, the premium version is the way to go. At $12.99 per month or $79.99 annually, it's priced similarly to many other fitness apps, but offers a far more individualized experience. In conclusion, Fitbod is an incredibly powerful tool for people looking to make serious gains in strength training. The personalized, data-driven approach is what sets it apart from other apps. If you're already somewhat experienced in the gym and looking to step up your training, Fitbod is definitely worth considering. Just be aware that it may be overwhelming if you're new to lifting, and the premium version is essential for getting the most out of it.